Here's my latest mural I just finished for a beautiful country home. So the theme was a family tree, and I was going to put one in the center, but seeing how there's that beautiful natural wood on the left there, beam, I wanted to incorporate that. So I thought of having the tree on the left side, and the owner loved that in the rough concept, so we went with that, and I matched that. So here it is. I paint. I always paint background to foreground, so that's going to be the sky, then the clouds here, and then the furthest mountains building up to the foreground. I use acrylic paints. My favorite is Nova Color. They're pure acrylic paints. They're excellent because the color is very vibrant. They are water based, so there's no smells, and they are very durable. I use the same paint outside when I paint murals outside as well as inside. And here it is. It's coming along. You can see I added some distant birds there, some trees. Uh, Simple mural. This one was about 3 days, but it really changed the environment totally. And here it is.